A very good afternoon, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed about the question and answers of the lesson. Who did Patrick's homework? Who did Patrick's homework? The Patrick himself had done his homework. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, now let's begin the new poem. What is the poem name? A House, a Home. A house, a home. Okay. This poem was composed by Lawrence M. Hurley. M. Hurley. So here, this is one of the most beautiful poem that is prescribed in your syllabus. So it is very interesting. Okay, why? Because you know all the things what is there in the textbook. Means what is there in this poem. So here one question is asked for you to discuss with your partners. What is the difference between a house and a home? Discuss it with your partner, then read the poem. So what is your work before going to the poem? What you have to do? Just you should know the difference between a home and house. Home, house. So if you know the difference between of that house and home, then you can easily understand the given poem. So just take your time and discuss with your partners or else with your family members. We'll begin the poem. Yes. What is a house? It's a brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors, and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It's a loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Nice, nice poem. Okay. Now we'll see what is there and what is given in the poem. What is a house? Tell me according to you, what is a house? House is made up of bricks, is all. And see, what is a house? House is a physical appearance. See, suddenly when we see a building, how we will think? The building is very nice. So, house is very nice. House means, house is an outer look. So, what is house? House is the outer look. And home is the inner look. Home is the inner look. Why? Because, why we call this house as outer look and home inner look? House only we can see the outer look of the house, means the color of the house, the shape of the house, the design of the house, and only outer appearance, not inner. So this house means outer appearance of the building, and we can see garden and whatever there in front of the house, and house is totally a outer appearance. Here, then coming to the point of home, home is the inner look, means home we are calling it as a sweet home. Why sweet home? In home we can find many our relations, our parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, and aunties, uncles, and relations, cousins. These all members we can find in home. These all family members we could not see from the outside. Only we can see the house the design of the house, the color of the house, only we can see that from the outside. So when we enter inside, what we'll see? We'll see the love, affection and care and like emotions and something like the good relation between the family, among the family members. So that is known as home, and the outer appearance or outer look of the building, that is known as house. So now you decide which you like most. In one hand, I'll tell my see, in one hand I like house, and in one hand I like home. Why? Because without house, no home. No home, no house. So these house and home are the two faces of the single coin. So I like both. Do you like both? I hope you like both. Now we'll start the poem. What is a house? It is a brick and stone and wood that is hard. The house is made up of the bricks and stone. I think you have seen that the construction of the building. For construction of building, what they were using? They were using bricks, stones and woods, hard woods. Then only if they use these materials, then only the building will be strong. Otherwise, no. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. Some, see, if we stand somewhere, or for example, you come out from your house and stand outside and see your house, like construction, design and its color, everything. So how it looks, you can see the glass of windows and some like veranda, means a place in front of your house. This all you can see when you stand outside of the house. So it is eaves and chimneys. Eaves means you can find like these edges, like if any design is there in your house, means you can see like this kind of edges. So this eaves and the houses which having these kind of uses will look more beautiful. So these eaves and chimneys means, you know, the pipe which is using to allow the inside smoke to go out. Like this is like pipes. Think that this is a home. Think that this is a house. Okay. Here, what this chimneys means, here inside of this house, your mother will cook food. So that smoke all will go out. Will go through these chimneys. This is known as chimneys, where the smoke will go out from the pipe. So when you stand outside of your house, you can see all these things about your house. And tile floors and stucco and roof. Stucco means plaster, like your paint, the plaster which is being coated, like variety of colors, color paints and all. So stucco means like plaster. Is this plaster? Okay, and plaster you can see, and how they coated the wall you can see, the color, the design, and like these all chimneys and eaves, these all things you can see when only you stand out of your house. So now, and lots of doors. If the house is too big, you can see many more doors. If the house is small, you can see more than 2 to 3 doors. See, in this first stanza, what we have given only about how the house will look from the outer appearance. So here, this is all about the appearance of the house. Now let us come to the important important point that about the home, about the sweet home. About the sweet home. We'll try to draw a house. We'll see. If you want to draw, you can draw it yourself. The house which you like most, you can draw. Just for example, I am giving this. Okay, here then here we draw a tree. Okay, here then this is the example for house. Now we'll come to the point that home. Home means here like think that this is your sister and this is your brother and your friends, parents and everybody that you are together and playing here something. Okay. And here some yard will be there, like veranda will be there. So what you will do, you can play many things. So here you can sit and play. So then you can play many things. I hope you understand what is this. Okay, sit here and play like this. See, if the house is full of the members, then that will be a sweet home. So now, what is a home? Home is a beautiful structure of a society that which includes father, mothers and grandparents and children and uncle, aunties, relatives and sometimes friends may live with us in our family. See here, what is a home? It is a loving and family and doing for others. In this family, always the mother and father will sacrifice their time to their children. Why? Because to give them a good future, to give them a proper like time and everything to fulfill their needs, the parents of the home are always dedicative, means always they are ready to dedicate their life for the welfare of their children. It is brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. As I told you before, only in the family we can get to know and get to see the variety kind of a people. As I told, a younger one, elder one and uncle, aunt, relatives, parents, this all we can see in the home, only home. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones. You are always being cared. Here there is no any selfish activities. See, if you come to school and there in school you are having some best friends and with some you are not supposed to talk. So there you are playing your selfish acts like, why should I talk with him? He should come and talk with me. And what is the necessary for me to talk with him? These all kinds will take place in only outer side of the home. But as coming to the home, in home we cannot do like this, and we don't want to do like this. Why? Because in my family, in my home, there will be a person that who are always caring for me, and for those I should not hurt them. So what I should do? I should love them as they are loving me, and I should care them how they are caring to me. So what is our duty? We should not hurt anyone or anybody's feelings, those who are like caring us and loving us. So what we have to do? We should love and care them as they are doing the same. So here in the family, all the members of the family are being loved by their oneself. But in the outer part of the home, it is quite difficult to have faith upon all. But in home, we can have faith, trust, belief upon all the family members of the home. So for that reason, it is known as the sweet home. What it is known? Sweet home. No selfish acts, no fightings, no misunderstandings, and if the family is there, means there will be a misunderstandings. But our duty and our responsibility is to overcome all those problems and all those misunderstandings, and there only we should like correct that one. We should correct that, and we should start loving the family members. There will be no any there should not be any selfish acts. This is what about the poet had depicted in the poem Home, a House. So here this is all just what I all explained is all about the you can say that the difference between the house and the home. So now let us discuss the question and answers. Simple questions are there. Only 2 questions are there. So let us. I hope you understood this poem. If you have any doubts, just ask and clarify it yourself. Don't be quiet if you not understand things. Okay. I hope you understood. Why? Because it is too related to you only. You know, you can easily come to know what is the difference between house and home. House, this outer part. Home, inner part, and the home is the emotionally connected people, and loving and caring connection between the people of the house. Next, do you agree with what the poet says? Talk to your partner and complete this sentence. Do you agree with what poet says? Do you agree? Yes. Talk to your partner and complete this sentence. A house is made up of brick, stone, wood, some window glass, and a yard, eaves, chimneys, tile floors, stucco, roof, and lots of doors. What they ask? A house is made of a brick, stone, and wood. Okay. Next, it has some window glass and perhaps a yard, eaves and chimneys, tile floors, stucco, roof, and lots of doors. Next, a home is made by loving and family and doing for others. It has brothers, sisters, fathers, mothers, and unselfish acts, kindly sharing, showing love, and always being care. This is the answer for this question. Next, now complete these sentences about your house and home. This work is for you. Why I discussed these question and answers in this class only means why? Because The poem is too short and this only 2 question and answers are there, and that 2 question and answer are also easy. So second question is the homework for you. Now complete these sentence about your house and home. My house is, here you have to write my house is means how is your house, the outer part. Okay. Then the best thing about my home is, you can write in the family whom do you like most and why, and who is caring you more and who is like trusting you more and who is helping you, supporting you, guiding you. These all aspects you can write in this second answer. So here there is the end of the poem. So no worries, no issues. If you have any doubts, openly you can ask and clarify your doubts. So here there is the end of a poem. Tomorrow in the next class we will discuss this once again and we will move to next. Okay.